Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking into the weekend. I'll look at Friday's chart first of all, and pressure is fairly high across the country, so it's a fine and bright day for many with broken cloud and some sunshine. Some of that cloud may just cover some hill slopes, especially in western Scotland early in the day, but that will lift and break, so most summits will clear. The remnants of a weak cold front passing southeastwards across England and Wales may just give some spots of rain in places first thing, and particularly around the Peak District and across South Wales, a few localised showers, the odd heavy one through into the afternoon, but quite hit and miss, and many places here could well stay dry. Fairly light winds overall. We will have a stronger southwesterly across northern Scotland, quite blustery around some tops then around Skye and the far northwest coast. Temperatures on the cool side across the summits. Where exposed to that wind, it will feel close to freezing point on the highest tops in Scotland. A warm front over the Atlantic will make its way towards western Scotland later in the day, thickening up some high cloud, and overnight some lowering cloud across the coastal hills and some patchy drizzle developing around Skye and the coast. Now that front is quite a weak feature, but it continues to journey its way eastwards across the Highlands on Saturday, so rather cloudy skies overall, and toward the west coast that cloud will be very low and shrouding the hills most of the day. Elsewhere, a good deal of the cloud could well be above the hills, but some banks will roll across the higher tops at times, and there will be some patchy light rain or drizzle, maybe not amounting to a great deal, but could be nuisance value over a few hours in places, and there's the risk across the Highlands of an odd heavier showery burst of rain developing, particularly by the afternoon. The greatest risk of those seems to be across more northwestern parts of the Highlands. Meanwhile, for England and Wales, a generally fine day with sunshine and hazy high cloud at times. An easterly breeze will affect Wales and Pennine areas, feeling a bit cool early in the day, but temperatures will warm up nicely as the day goes on. Fairly light winds through the Highlands, southwesterlies here, strongest towards western coasts again, where it may be rather gusty in places, but temperatures will be a bit milder than they were on Friday. Heading into Sunday, and the dregs of that frontal zone still across Scotland, likely to be across central regions of the Highlands, with some misty, murky, rather cloudy conditions early in the day, the odd pocket of drizzle around as well. That will generally fizzle out, and cloud will lift and break towards many higher hilltops as we go through the daytime. Some brighter skies coming through, best of those look to be towards more northwestern parts of the Highlands. A chance of an isolated light shower as we go onwards into the afternoon. Mostly light winds through Scotland and northern England here, also just a low risk of an isolated shower into the afternoon, but generally England and Wales dry with lots of strong sunshine and just that easterly breeze once again across the Peak District and for Wales, but will feel pleasantly warm in that sun. All your local details updated every day on our website. Whatever you're doing this weekend, have a good one. That is your Fleeting View.